Hello students of class 10, come back today with the chapter of height and distance. Now before starting from your board book, I will solve two sums from your reference book. Sum number 1, that is heights of two pillars are 180 meter and 60 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the first pillar from the bottom of the second pillar is 60 degree. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the second pillar from the bottom of the first pillar. Clear? Now see, heights of two pillars given. One is 180 meter and another is 60 meter. So then I am joining the feet of the pillars and the angle of elevation of the top of the first pillar. That means this is from the bottom of the second pillar. That means here, this angle from the bottom of the second pillar, the angle of elevation of the top of the first pillar is given 60 degree. Clear? And find the angle of elevation of the top of the second. That means this one you have to calculate. We are considering, let this angle be theta. Clear? We have to consider. We are considering this angle be theta, then we have to calculate this. We are giving name A, B and C, D. This is 180 meter and this one 60 meter. Clear? And we are getting two triangles A, B, D and C, B, D. In these two triangles, what is common? Common is side or base BD. Clear? Now we are writing AB be the first pillar equals to 180 meter. Height is given. And CD be the second pillar. This full statement you will get in your PDF form. CD be the second pillar whose height is 60 meter. Now we are taking triangle. In triangle A, B, D. This angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 equals to, you know, tan means perpendicular by base. Your perpendicular is AB and base is BD. So from here we know this AB is given 180 and tan 60 value you know root over 3 equals to 180 by BD. So from here BD equals to what we are getting BD equals to 180 by root over 3. This is my equation number 1. Clear? Now from second triangle, that means triangle CBD. In triangle CBD, this angle not given, we have considered it as theta. So we will write tan theta. Tan theta equals to again perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is CD, base is BD. Tan theta is unknown, CD we know 60 and BD we have calculated previous from previous triangle, that is 180 by root over 3. 180 by root over 3. Now root over 3 will go up. So 180 into root over 3, 63, and if we will cancel root 3 and 3, that is denominator is coming root over 3. So from here what we are getting, tan theta equals to 1 by root over 3. Now you know from trigonometric table that value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So here we can write tan theta equals to tan 30 degree. So from here we are getting theta is 30 degree. So your required angle of elevation from the bottom of the first pillar with the top of the second pillar, that you have to calculate, it is coming 30 degree. Clear? This is very easy. Now next one. Next sum also from your reference book. Sum number 2. This is my favorite sum. Two towers are situated at a distance of 120 root 2 meter. There are two towers and distance between them is given 120 root 2 meter. And the height of one is twice the height of the other. Clear? From the midpoint of the line joining the bottom of them, the angles of elevation of the top of two towers are complementary. Complementary means the complementary means angle between them, angles of elevation of the top of two towers are complementary, means sum of two angles is 90 degree. Clear? So if we consider one angle is theta, so other angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Then find the heights of two towers. Clear? So here height of one is twice the height of other. Height of one tower is twice the height of other, and the distance between them is given 120 root 2 meter. Now we are considering, let it be AB and this is CD. Clear? And from the midpoint, this is the midpoint, this is O. From the midpoint of the line joining the bottom of them, the angles of elevation of the top of two towers are complementary. So if one we are considering one angle be theta, one angle of elevation is theta, as they are complementary, so other angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Clear? And find the heights of two towers. Okay. Here we are getting two triangles, ABO and COD. Clear? In these two triangles, what is given? This is total. BD is given 120 root 2. Clear? And O is the midpoint. So this one BO will be 60 root 2 meter and OD will also be 60 root over 2 meter, as O is the midpoint. Now we will apply tan. In triangle A, B, O, tan theta equals to AB perpendicular by base BO. Here tan theta is unknown, AB is also unknown, and this BO, as this is the midpoint, it is 60 root over 2. Clear? So this is your equation number 1. Clear? Now here we may consider also, let this is the x meter, so it will be 2x meter. So here we may put the, in place of AB we can write 2x by 60 root 2. This is my equation 1. So tan theta equals to 2x by 60 root 2. This is my equation 1. Then in another triangle, that is triangle COD. What we can write again? Tan 90 degree minus theta equals to perpendicular by base, that means CD by OD. Tan 90 minus theta from complementary chapter you know, that is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So it is coming cot theta. Cot theta equals to CD, we have considered x, and OD is 60 root 2. This is my equation number 2. Now you see, what is my equation number 1? Tan theta equals to 2x by 60 root 2. And equation number 2, cot theta equals to x by 60 root 2. Now we'll multiply this by 1 into equation 1 into 2. By multiplying equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? Left hand side tan theta into cot theta, and right hand side what is coming? 2x by 60 root 2 into x by 60 root over 2. Now you know tan theta into cot theta means what? Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. So tan theta into cot theta, left hand side will come 1. Clear? As cot theta means 1 by tan theta. So tan theta will be cancelled out. Left hand side will come 1. Now from here, one equals to right hand side 2x square by 60 into 60, 3600 into root over 2 into root over 2 means 2. So from here x square is coming 3600. So x square root of 3600 means 60. We have got the value of x. That means we have got now the height of one tower. So height of smaller tower is coming 60 meter, and the height of other tower is double of that. So it will become 120 meter, 2x. Therefore, height of other tower is coming 2x meter means 2 into 60, that means 120 meter. So in this sum, the angle of elevation not mentioned. It is told that they are complementary. So complementary means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So one angle of elevation will consider theta, so other will be 90 minus theta, and we are getting two triangles and we have applied again tan. Now next sum from your board book, that is sum number 10. What is that? The bottom of a lighthouse and bottom of the mast of two ships are on the same straight line, and the angles of depression from the lighthouse at the bottom of mast of two ships are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. If the distance of the points at the bottom of the lighthouse and the bottom of the mast of the first ship is 150 meter, then calculate how far will the mast of other ship from the lighthouse be, and what will be the height of lighthouse be. Now I am drawing the diagram, it will be clear. Number 10. Before 10 already you have got in previous video. Now number 10, that is from your board book. There is a lighthouse here. That is the lighthouse, and this is the mast of first ship and this is the mast of second ship. Now someone is standing here, and angle of depression means he is looking downwards. So first this angle of depression is given 60 degree. 60 degree. This angle of depression 60 degree. Now you know this line and this line parallel. So if this is 60 alternate angle, this one will also be 60 degree. Clear? Now from here the second angle of depression of the second one, that means this angle is given 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree. Here this is also 30 degree. And what is told here? The distance of the points at the bottom of the lighthouse and the bottom of the mast of first ship is 150 meters. That means this distance is given 150 meter, and this is not given. You have to calculate this one. So we are considering, let AB be the lighthouse and C be the position of the mast of the first ship and D be the position of the mast of the second one. Here now we are getting two triangles. One is ABC and another is ABD. Clear? In these two triangles, what is common? Common is AB. Clear? First, we are applying, AB is the height of lighthouse. So in triangle ABC, what we are applying? We are applying tan. Angle of elevation 60, tan 60 equals to AB by BC. Here tan 60 value you know, root over 3 AB and BC given 150. So from here we can write AB equals to 150 root 3 meter. Number 1. Question number 1. Then we consider triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, here angle of elevation is 30 degree. So tan 30 equals to AB by BD. You know value of tan 30 is 1 by root over 3. 1 by root over 3 and AB is 150 root over 3 by BD. So from here, what is your BD? If we cross multiply, 150 into 3 means it is coming 450. Clear? We have got BD equals to 450. We have to calculate CD. So CD means what? BD minus BC. Therefore, CD equals to total BD minus BC. BD is what? 450 and BC is what? 150. After subtraction, it is coming 300 meter. So your answer will be distance of the mast of other ship from the lighthouse is 300 meter. Clear? And there is another part. What will be the height of the lighthouse? Height of the lighthouse means AB. Already we have calculated, that is 150 root 3 meter. So your answer will be height of the lighthouse is 150 root over 3 meter, and the distance of the mast of the second ship from the first one, that is CD, is 300 meter. Now next one we will get in next video.